Hey guys, welcome back. If you have a BMW 5 Series generation F10, F11, we're talking about this generation here. If you have a problem that you hear a noise when you apply the brake, you hit the brake pedal, you hear a noise clunking from the front end, we made a special video that explains what can easily cause that. 9 out of 10 people will make a common mistake when actually try to fix that, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, brake pads, anything for your BMW. That way you do not waste your time and money. Complete video about that and more will be on our YouTube channels. Check them out, guys. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos that will save you thousands of dollars in future repairs.